Hey guys, it's Shub. Welcome back to another video. Pains me to have to make this video, but I got in a pretty bad crash, and what you're seeing now is footage of me on track prior to the crash.
This is probably my least favorite turn.
So, just to begin, I am still new to the bike at this point. It's been the second time I've ridden it. And it's a lot faster than the RM125 I owned previously. That was pretty old and not jetted properly, so that thing has no comparison to a pretty well built YZ250. Yeah, and honestly I think I did upgrade too quickly, but with my weight I felt that the 250 would be better suited for my size. Also, at this point in the day, we've already rode trails. By that time, my body's pretty tired. You can see later in the clips that I'm just riding a little bit lazy, sitting down too much. My core's not tight, my legs aren't squeezing enough, and just not taking jumps the way I should. Also, just wanted to say I am new to 2-strokes. I've only ever ridden 4-strokes before, so in terms of engine braking, covering the clutch, covering the brake, that is one thing I am lacking for sure. I need to get the fundamentals down and definitely practice on that for these upcoming track sessions. So at this point in the video, I am on my second lap around the track. I am obviously figuring it out, feeling like I'm getting more comfortable on the bike, still taking it fairly slow. As you can see from the video, the track quality is not the greatest. This is Rocky Glen out in Rockford, Illinois. They do not take that great of care of their track, specifically this one, they're intermediate. Lots of mulch. Not a lot of berms. You can see this turn right here is barely a turn. Yeah, that would be my complaint about this, is the track is not the greatest, and not the greatest track to try and go fast on. And as we're coming up to the final lap here, this is where I decided I was going to try and go as fast as I could before I headed back into the truck to call it a day. In terms of my injuries, I had a minor concussion, I had a badly bruised shoulder, very badly dislocated my left ring finger, but I can easily say that I am blessed I didn't receive more injuries than I did. Wanted to let you guys know that the bike is fixed. I have a video coming shortly of putting it back together, what parts were ordered, what was broken, and that will be uploaded to the channel very soon. But here's the crash, guys. I'm taking this jump third gear faster than I normally was. I cased it. I'm not covering the clutch right there, as you can see, and I whiskey throttle, absolutely panic, and go right into a tree.